How to create chatbot in Botpress. So first, go to Botpress and then open your account. Once you're on your account, just click on create bot here, and then just type in your bot name. So I'll just type in test bot here, and then click on create. Okay, now it's loading. We just need to wait. Okay, now it says that chatbot created. So just click on open in studio. Okay, now from here, you can either click on quick start to create your bot as fast as possible. You're going to begin with a quick interactive setup with a Botpress assistant. So if you want to start from scratch, you just need to click on this one. And then there are other templates as well, like ChatGPT clone, telco customer support, phone sales agent, and Salesforce example. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this one, the ChatGPT clone. Just click on it, then click on use template. Okay, as you can see, now it's done. So just to check if your ChatGPT clone is running smoothly, just click on test your bot here. So let's say hi. As you can see, it replies just like ChatGPT. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.